Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mowers have practically built themselves. Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash. Today we are going to look at another one of those thrift store gems. Picked up for $4 from the Deseret Industries, locally here. This is the 65 Lincoln Continental kit that AMT has put out. Well, it's not AMT, it's old AMT mold that Round 2 has. It's actually put out by Round 2. But this is the old retro box. Ooh, look, we've got two telephones. We've got a custom air cleaner, custom exhaust, custom bumper, luggage rack, ooh, ah. And we can even make a station wagon, which, I don't know, we might do that. Because this is one of those 3-in-1 weird customizing kits from yesteryear. I don't know what year this was re-released. Let's see if it says anywhere in here. So first off, the body is very nice. Nice four-door body of a Lincoln Continental. Now somebody did start it. They got as far as putting the tires, which are pad-printed polyglass GTs, yay, and some hubcaps. But look at this, the rear end and exhaust is all molded in. Front end's all molded in. So, it's okay. We'll see what we can do with this. These panels for the rear wheels. Looks like we've got some custom rims, the luggage rack, some other chrome stuff. I just chrome stuff. I don't know much about it. Never had this kit. Here's the rest of those custom rims. That looks like it might be interesting. And we have some custom front end pieces, stock front end piece, which I like, and rear bumper. And it looks like somebody, and that's okay, glued the seats together. Not been painted, but hey, I'm okay with it. We'll just clean them up a little bit. And we'll have to take out this. Somebody's glued that in, but that's okay. That's easy enough to take out. Just a nice stock interior, but looking at the dashboard, you can't see it, but looking at the dashboard, it's well engraved. Very well engraved. Very nice. The engine. Again, somebody's tried to put it together, and this is just I don't even know what to say about it. Because I would imagine it's supposed to be a big block. This doesn't look like a big block. Can barely pass for a small block. I honestly don't know what engine it's supposed to have. I'll have to look that up. But this one is going in the trash. No matter what. No matter what. We're going to do a different engine. So, but here's some interesting parts. Some custom taillights, stock taillights, and this piece for the station wagon part of it. Or it comes tinted. I like that. Cool. Nice little option. Okay, looks like it's got some, wow, really cool tires. Stock tires. These, you either get the fat white wall or you get the skinny white wall. But it's printed on both sides. That's pretty neat. There's your stock tail light lenses. left some tools in there, which is fine with me. Sorry, I'm trying to sort through the few pieces that are in here. Okay, so if you do the station wagon, it looks like this is your back piece. And here's the custom back piece for that. I really think I'm going to do that. This is one of those builds that Pete's Model Car Customs would do, except for he'd build it from scratch. I'll cheat. I'm going to use these parts, but yeah, maybe we'll do a custom. I haven't done a custom car in a long time, like a custom show car. Rear panel. There's the radiator. Oh boy. Okay. This is a good candidate to have a closed hood and just have a curbside. Yeah. Steering column, roll cage. At least the steering column has the shifter and turn signal on it. Brake booster and firewall. That's typical pathetic from yesteryear. I'm seeing some plastic valve covers in here instead of the chrome ones. Stock 4-barrel manifold. Looks like it's for a big block. Oh, here we go. Got a tape recorder. You can record everything. And a battery. Oh, this is kind of nice. And the overflow tank. It's a little undersized, but still, it's there. So that's pretty neat. Okay, let's see what we got in the way of decals for this thing. Oh no, it looks like somebody may have taken the phone out of here. Oh no! I don't see the two phones. Oh well, I'll live. Definitely live without the phones. Oh, this is a lot of interesting ideas. Okay. If we want to make it a woody wagon, we could. That's interesting. I do have some surfboards in this scale. That might make an interesting surf wagon. I don't know. We'll see. Giving me ideas already. All right. Basic assemblies. Here's your engine. Stock. Here's with some custom parts. Here's your tires and wheel assembly. And the interior assembly. Oh, drat. Maybe the phone is in there. I don't know. But anyway. It's all very simple assembly. I mean, you're going to spend a lot more time on paint than you are just assembling this thing. Then if you want to put the wagon on it or not. Final assembly for the stock convertible, which would be neat. Custom wagon. I'm thinking custom wagon here. Or fantasy stock wagon. Gosh, I don't know. Those both look kind of cool. And the woody on the wood grain on the side looks awesome. I think that's what I'm doing. So this ought to be a fun build when I get to it. You know, typical round 2. Putting in some, cool pad printed tires, and that's a big help. It's still a typical old AMT kit. So it is what it is. You're going to need some skill to put this together and do it right, because I'm sure the fit is. But anyway, thanks for joining us today, folks, and we will see you again soon on The Stash.